Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is a quick, super fast video we're doing today. You know, since I started doing this cooking show, 95% of what I cook is proteins and carbs. Not too many vegetables. So I don't eat too many fruits and vegetables. So I got myself a Kuvings Auto 10 juicer. And now I get all the veggies and fruits I need in the juice. Super simple. And what I love about this machine is it's got a huge hopper, so you can make 4 days worth of juice in less than 30 minutes. This is just one part. That's parsley, celery. We'll start with that. And look at that, how big that is. You just load it up. It's amazing. Once we get it loaded up, we'll close the lid and let that start to juice. There we go. And you'll see there's the juice part. You open up the lid and it comes right out. Nice fresh juice. And on the other side, you're gonna see the pulp come out. It comes out like little tight bricks of pulp. It's amazing. So, don't do what I did. Don't go without your fruits and vegetables for a long time. Get some protein, get some carbs, but you got to get your fruits and veggies in. And this, using this juicer, is a super easy way to do it. Now, this is not sponsored by Kuvings. I paid for the juicer full price, so I'm just telling you how nice it is. I mean, you can get whatever kind of juicer you want. I just like this one because I can do a whole week's worth of juice in one day. We got pineapple, we got ginger, we got cucumber, all gonna go in there. And what I like to do once I have the juice done is I put it into a big pitcher like this, because I'll probably fill that little guy up 2 more times. So I'll put it into a bigger pitcher, and then once it's all done, I've got quart jars here that I'll distribute evenly the fresh juice. And then I got a electric vacuum sealer off Amazon. I'll put a link down below. So you just put the lid on, put that sealer on, hit the button, and 30 seconds later, that thing is vacuum sealed and will last at least a week because all the air is out of it. So it's got a great shelf life. All right, get your juice on. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.